Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science Class 6. Today we will learn 6th Standard Social Science Term 2. Unit 7 Economics and Introduction. Economics. Or you hear the word economic word? Yes. Normally you notice your family look a parent discussing about budget, for example, how much budget need for rice and oil. Likewise, they will discuss about earning their money after getting the salary per month. Now it's clear to you. Very good. To run a family happily, family economical condition should be good. These all are very much needed for the growth of country economical condition. Shall we discuss about the topic in brief? Very good. Are you understand, children? Very good. What is economic? Economic is a social science that studies the production, distribution and consumption of goods and service. Where do you get all the foods or getting from market? Yes, we are getting from the market, but where did you get exactly? You are right. They buy themselves. Those who grow crop, we call the people, those who raise crop as farmer. Yes, your parents may be teacher, doctor, lawyer, shop owner, etc. But at villager, one and only occupation is farming. The farmer grow various crop like pulses, grains, vegetable, etc. Then we send for to the shop in rupees. Whereas in villages, people selling all kinds of things in a place. Why do they call it Sandai? It's called Sandai. Into the shop, do you know from where do they bring product to the Sandai? Yes, the thing which are producing villages are brought to Sandai. In villages, once in a week or month, all things are sold in particular place at specific time to meet the needs of the people. It's called Sandai. Do you know what activity are carried out in a Sandai? Yes, buying and selling. Do you know olden day we have goods for other goods called barter system? Have you heard this? Yes. For example, tomatoes, popular tomatoes and brinjal. If you have popular tomato, I am need of brinjal, then I can give my tomatoes to you and get the brinjal which is popular to you. But you exchange commodity, they have to say problems to solve their invited soul called money. Yes, isn't it, children? Very good. Now, you giving and getting through this money. Our ancestor who had first hunter and gathered, food latest started to cultivated crop or this and they reverse the settled for the permanently they these all are called villages. As Mahatma Gandhi said, agriculture is the backbone of our country. So, it's remained to be root of economic even today. These are three important economical activity. What are they? Primary, secondary, tertiary sectors. Classification of economic activities. What you mean by primary activities? Primary activities are concerned with the production of raw materials for foodstuff and industrial uses. Primary activities included agriculture, cattle rearing, fishing, mining, collection of food, fruits, nuts, honey, rubber, resin, and medicinal herbs, etc. These all are primary activities. Second one, secondary activities. Secondary activities on the basis of raw materials, industries are classified as cotton textile, sugar mills, and food processing. These all are secondary activities. Tertiary activities. The service sector serve the people to fulfill their daily needs like transport, roadways, railways, waterways, airways. This all are transport. Communication, post, telephone, information technology, etc. Trade, procurement of goods, selling. Banking, money, transaction banking, service. These all are tertiary activities. Dear children, I hope you all are understood this lesson clearly about what is economics and introduction. Thank you children. Have a nice day.